Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reboot the Redmi A5. To do this, you have just to click a long click on the button on the right of your phone. Long press,
Hi, what can I do for you? Speak
and
into the phone.
as you can see,